Meaning of jump cut.
Jump cut.
Jump cut.
Jump cut.
Jump cut. A jump cut is a film or video editing technique in which two shots from the same scene appear to be taken at different times, creating a disorienting effect. This is usually accomplished by removing a portion of a shot and then joining the remaining portions together. The resulting jump in time or space can be used to convey a variety of emotions or ideas, such as a sudden change in mood, the passage of time, or the juxtaposition of different elements within a scene. The jump cut has been used in a wide variety of films, from experimental works to mainstream Hollywood productions,